Motherboard. The motherboard is a circuit board linking all components, CPU, RAM, graphics card, everything. It's considered the spine of the computer because, well, it literally connects everything together. Fun fact, the motherboard is actually one of the cheapest components. CPU. The CPU, or central processing unit or processor, is a tiny chip that sits on the motherboard inside the computer, usually under a heat sink and a cooling fan to keep it from overheating. Think of it as your computer's brain, except it's way less dramatic than your 2 a.m. brain after a Red Bull. It's responsible for processing all the instructions that make your computer work, typing documents, browsing the web, even gaming. And don't let its small size fool you. It's actually one of the most expensive computer parts. Graphics card. The graphics card is a printed rectangular circuit board with a chip in the center, slotted in a dedicated expansion slot on the motherboard. The GPU handles all things visual, gaming, 3D rendering, and professional design work. Basically, the muscle behind your screen's eye candy. If the CPU's the brain, the GPU's the artist. It's the bowler of PC parts, costs more than your rent, but turns laggy trash into glorious 4K. Of course, its broke, blurry cousin, the iGPU, is a lot cheaper. Hard drive. The hard drive is a non-volatile storage device that permanently stores digital data, your operating system, programs, personal files, all that good stuff. It uses rotating platters and magnetic heads to read and write data. It can hold tons of information, but it's slow, really slow in accessing them. That's why we need RAM to pick up the slack. RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory, is that rectangular stick installed on your motherboard. It's your computer's short-term memory, holding open apps like those Chrome tabs you forgot about. More RAM means smoother multitasking, like juggling 10 tasks without dropping your phone. 4 gigabytes? Fine for emails. 16? You're basically Tony Stark. Think of it this way. Your desk is RAM. Small, clean, fast. You only keep what you're using right now. Open apps, tabs, games. When you shut down, it's all gone. Your hard drive, though, is the filing cabinet. Huge, messy, slower, but it keeps everything forever. Power off, still there tomorrow. SSD, the solid-state drive, is today's go-to storage. It's preferred over hard drives because it's faster, more durable, and energy efficient. Instead of spinning platters, it uses memory chips, which also allows PCS to be thinner and lighter. Cooling fan, the chill guy keeping your PC from having a meltdown. Areas like the CPU get really hot from all the heavy lifting, so the fan acts like an AC for your components, constantly spinning to push out heat. No fan, your CPU turns into a grumpy oven. PSU, the power supply unit, is that rectangular metal box that converts the high-voltage AC from your wall outlet into low-voltage DC your components can actually use. Basically, it's your PC's electric chef, turning raw wall power into something digestible. Wireless card. The wireless card is a hardware component that enables devices such as computers or smartphones to connect to a wireless network, using an antenna to send and receive signals. No cables, just invisible magic. Case. Finally, the case, your PC's fancy suit. It keeps everything protected, organized, and lets air flow while showing off those RGB lights like it's on a runway. Cases come in different sizes and form factors: full tower, mid-tower, micro ATX, and mini ITX. And that's it. Now you're tech smart. So tell me, what's the weirdest PC part you've ever heard of? Drop it in the comments.